Alright, listen up. This is probably going to be one of the easiest and most straightforward ways you'll ever make money online. Stickman videos. Yes, those simple little doodle animations that are blowing up on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts right now. Here's the deal. People love them. Why? They're funny, they're relatable, and they look so simple that viewers binge watch them like popcorn. And the best part, you don't need to be an animator or spend hours learning complicated software. So today I'm gonna show you step by step how to create these videos, and I'm going to share with you some of the best free tools out there to use in creating these sticky videos. Step 1. Grab yourself some trending audio, comedy bits, funny rants, relatable stories, whatever's viral. You can find these by going on TikTok and search for viral comedy. Choose one and download as audio to your desktop. Step 2. We go on Google and search for cartoon comedy stage. Find the one you like and download the image to your device. Step 3. Search for Adobe Express Animation on Google. Sign up for an account. It's totally free, guys. Click on character. Scroll down until you see the sticky character and select that. Next, we're going to upload our background image, which is the image of the stage we downloaded earlier on in step 2. Lastly, add the audio you downloaded from TikTok. Let it auto-sync the gestures. Boom, you've got yourself a Stickman comedy sketch.
Why is it that when a man dies, we bury him in the soup? Like, I don't want to be buried in a suit. That's my final rest, not my first interview. We're a backwards people for that, man. We're back.
Step 4, download the video and use a free video editing software like CapCut to add some life and effects to your video.
Why is it that when a man dies, we bury him in a suit? Like, I don't want to be buried in a suit. That's my final rest, not my first interview. We're
Now here's where the money comes in. Upload them as shorts on YouTube and get into the Shorts Fund or AdSense once you're monetized. Post them on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Brands are paying creators for reach. Repurpose the same video across all platforms. One 30-second clip can work 3 or 4 different revenue streams. It's literally copy-paste content creation, but people can't get enough of it.